Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your delivery address on the GoPuff app because GoPuff's inventory and delivery options can change based on your address, and you want to make sure you're ordering to the right place. The video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, and there's not going to be a lot of steps. The first step is to open up your GoPuff app and make sure you're logged in. Now look at the top of your screen for your current delivery address. It usually shows your street or a label like home. Tap that address. From here, you can add a new address by selecting Add New Address, search and type in a new address, and then select it from a list and click Save. Or you can just choose to update your saved address you already have on file. Once you select it, the app will refresh and show what's available for that location. If you already placed an order and you need to change the address after checkout, you may need to go to Account and then Help and contact support, since delivery is tied to the address on your order. And honestly, that's the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually update your delivery address, comment below. Thanks for watching.